So I get a lot of packages from Amazon sellers every day. This is full of packages. I've got a pile of here. Of course, I got a bag under there. That's not it. This is from, I think, Friday. And then I've got this mailbox at the Commons. It's one of those shared workspaces. And these are all my products from over the weekend, right? I can do it because our little local mailbox doesn't have enough room for everything because of the amount of just sheer quantity of packages that I get every day. So as you saw, I'm receiving hundreds of Amazon packages every week to review for free. And there are basically 3 steps that you have to take to get there. Ultimately, this is in the process, or this is the idea is that you get affiliate income, residual affiliate income from doing product videos, and publishing these videos to the actual Amazon product page. So whenever you go to an Amazon product, if you're shopping or somebody else is shopping, there are videos on there. If somebody watches a portion of your video and then makes a purchase, you get a small credit for that, for selling, for finalizing the sale or helping to finalize the sale. That is the Amazon Influencer Program. Let's work backwards. It's easier, in my opinion, to think about this working backwards. In order to get access to creator connections, which is where you can message sellers, where you can have higher commissions, specialized commissions dedicated just for you and the types of videos that you like to do, like camping products or baby products or appliance repair, furniture, dog stuff, whatever. In order to get access to creator connections, you have to be in the Amazon Influencer Program. The Amazon Influencer Program is where influencers publish videos directly to Amazon product pages, okay? The actual videos on Amazon. In order to get onto the Amazon Influencer Program, the AIP, Amazon needs to know that you are a content creator. Okay, they need to see some kind of proven track record that you can create content, that you can speak to a camera, that you have maybe decent lighting and a microphone. Most people are just fine with their phones. Just using your iPhone and being next to a window is usually enough. The microphone on the iPhone, the camera on the iPhone or Samsung or whatever, it's good enough. It's good enough. So you need to create a YouTube channel. I prefer YouTube, but you can also do TikTok or Instagram. You might even already have a large channel somewhere where you've done discussions about product reviews, maybe affiliate and all of that. But if you don't, you need to create product videos, create a YouTube channel dedicated to uploading 30-second, 1 minute, 90-second product review videos about whatever, about a bottle of water, about a fidget, about a mouse, about a keyboard, about a pen, about dog snacks, whatever, and get into the Amazon Associates, which is the Amazon affiliate program while you're at it. The Amazon Associates affiliate program is for product links that you can put in your YouTube video. Okay, so it's not on Amazon. You might as well be putting links on your product videos before you get into the Amazon Influencer Program. Okay, and then once you're in the Amazon Influencer Program, you can take the same product review videos that you're publishing directly to Amazon, and you can publish those on YouTube, TikTok, whatever as well, to kind of make double use out of that video. And then, that's just kind of how it works. Very oversimplified, very, very oversimplified process. But let me know in the comment section down below by typing in the number 100. And also what type of thing that you have a question about. Where is the disconnect? I also have links in the description to the Amazon Influencer Program and the Amazon Associates Affiliate Program. I don't get any credit for any of that. They're not affiliate links, nothing like that. It's just the place that you have to go to sign up. The Amazon Affiliate Program, everybody gets into with almost no effort because Amazon wants people to promote their products. Now, the Amazon Influencer Program, it's much harder to get into. It took me a lot longer to get into, but you can get into it if you've got, again, a couple of dozen, a couple of hundred videos. So then kind of the final step, once you're past all that other stuff, once you're in the Amazon Influencer Program, it's time to start requesting those free products from Amazon sellers. So this is the Creator Connections dashboard. I've got my numbers blurred out up there because I'm not allowed to actually share that It's against Amazon Associates terms of service. You can browse new campaigns, or you can search for like types of campaigns. Like if you want to look for dog toys, you can just type in dog toys right here. Dog toys. There we go. And then there are 55 campaigns for this. Let's just, let's clear that out. So then you can kind of go into the filters and search for a product category. Let's take a look at like pet supplies. And then that's going to show, 15,000 results. And then you just kind of scroll. Let the ViralView software populate a lot of the data. Let it scrape the dashboard here. You can't just let it sit on the first handful of results. Scrolling actually is refreshing things in the background. And by the way, there are new campaigns added every single day in every single category. So if you finished messaging all the sellers in the pet supplies category, you can come back tomorrow and there will be a lot more. You think about how many items are added at Amazon every single day. So once you've scrolled for a while, you can click on Open Product View right here, and you can see that this is a viral score of 92%, which means there are a good amount of sales. It means there's not a ton of videos already on there. And you can see that the creator campaign, so there's a 10% bonus. So every time you sell one of these with one of your videos, not only are you getting the Amazon affiliate revenue, the Amazon influencer program revenue, but you're also getting a bonus 10% revenue. You just kind of click any of the ones that you want to send to. So we'll just go through and we'll click all of these that are above 79, like all the 80s and above, and then just click send message. You can see messages to send 7. So I just sent 7 messages, and I've already pre-typed my messages ahead of time. It's the same uniform message that I send anybody. Hey, I've been an Amazon influencer for this long. I would like to request a free sample, and in exchange, I'll publish a video to my Amazon storefront as well as my YouTube channel or TikTok or whatever. And then I do this 100 times a day. All right. This software lets me message 100 sellers a day. And so what I'll do is I'll just, I'll go through pets and I'll pick 10 or 20 messages, and then I'll go into furniture and I'll pick 10 or 20 messages. And then I'll go into I'll type in here at this section. Let me unclick the filters here, turn off the filter, and I'll type in Christmas decorations, search on that. There's 3,500 campaigns here. So, because Christmas is coming, I'll send a couple of messages. These aren't great opportunities here, but they're not bad either because Christmas is going to be, huge. I'll send some messages to these creators, 8 or 10 to here, send message, and then just anything that I might be interested in, vacuum cleaners or, kitchen appliances, or, if you're really big into sports, you can type in football, you can type in Kansas City Chiefs, you can type in, soccer stadium, you can type in, really anything into the search, and, any of those products that would come up when you search for that kind of thing on Amazon has a chance to show up here. And so ViralView is not free, but if you want to try it, we got a 10% off code for it. It's in the description box down below. You don't need to do it. It just makes sending messages, 100 messages a day, that much faster. Let me know if you have any questions. See you all next time.